The structure of our Earth is literally changing, which precipitates increased seismic and volcanic activity. It's an awakening that affects Mother Earth and all of her inhabitants, and measurable data supports this. It's tough on many, but we will get through it. I feel eastern Russia, Alaska to northern California, the west coast of South America, the Mediterranean are subject in the coming months, but of course anywhere in the globe is subject. Of course, I want to be wrong, and I'm more than happy to eat crow. I heard it's not bad with a little bit of salt, but the important thing is